Hello and welcome to another tutorial by Dennis and ITS. Today we're going to show you how to take a Word document and turn it into an image on a PC. Go ahead and delete this one. Alright, first open up your Word doc. And the first thing you need to do is look at this in read mode. This will put it into a full screen view. Sometimes it'll divide up your document. There we go. Alright, so make sure that it's in paper layout, and you should have a view similar to what you had previously, but now it's as full screen as it's going to get. The next thing you're going to want to do is grab your snippet tool and take a new snip. Just grab the part of the image that you want, and it'll open up in the snipping tool, and then you just save it as an image. And there we go. There's our new image. Thanks for watching.